What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. You're watching One Life Cars, and today you join me on the inside of the Nissan X-Trail for another quick tutorial. It's a fairly new car on the channel. I've only done one video on it up to now, and this next one's a nice simple one too. Still on the theme of electronics. The last one was a fuse box video, and this time I'm going to show you guys how to find your OBD port or OBD2 port. So if you have error codes on the screen and you need to diagnose them, you can plug your scanner tool into this port and suss what's wrong with it. And also it's good for taking off service lights, taking off old warning lights where the problem's been fixed but the light still remains. So without further ado, we'll get straight into it and I'll show you guys how to find the OBD port on the Nissan X-Trail. Let's go. Right guys, the first thing you want to do is sort of step out the driver's seat so you can get down low and look straight under the steering wheel. For those of you who have already watched the fuse box video, you'll probably know where this is anyway, but this flap here, you're literally going to pull it off. It should just pop off like that, and there'll be a white socket. I'm not saying that they're all white, this one is. That looks a bit like that. It's a bit like an old SCART lead socket, if you know what one of them is. And that is your OBD port for plugging the Diagnostics tool in for, you know, finding fault codes, turning off warning lights, etc, etc. And that's about it guys. When you've done with it, you can pop your cover back on just like so. Nice quick simple one for you today. I hope you found it useful. If you did, hit that thumbs up, give us a sub if you're new around here, and that's about it. That is the OBD port location on the Nissan X-Trail. So guys, take it easy, and until next time, goodbye.